As a photographer, you have the magical ability to capture moments in time and keep them alive forever. So what's the best use of your time and your talent and your effort? All customers are not created equal. There will obviously be times when you need to do whatever you need to do to pay the bills, but you must have some principles that will never be compromised. It's important to know what you stand for and what you stand against. This determines which customers you'll work with and which customers you'll avoid. It also determines who will want to work with you and who will want to avoid working with you. If you're new to my content, I'm Adam Radley and I'm the founder of iMagine. This channel is for photographers that want to start and grow their business. I'm also creating a series of videos called 100 Ways to Get Customers for Photographers. If you want to receive alerts when I release new videos, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to give you a very brief outline of a framework that you can use to decide how you want to maximize your impact. And by impact, I'm not talking about your marketing or your sales pitch. I'm talking about your impact on the world, the extent to which you can make the world a better place. When I say the words maximize your impact, I'm referring to the idea that you should aim to have a positive impact and that you should aim to go a step further and figure out how to make your positive impact as big as it can be. In my humble opinion, if you only focus on money, you'll end up moderately unhappy with some mental health issues. Focusing on money alone is an outdated concept. Once you've reached a point where you have enough revenue to pay the bills, you need to start thinking about your impact. Now, I know that some of you that are totally focused on money might think, well, okay, I'll make an effort to pretend to be interested in things that have a positive impact and less focused on money. Don't pretend. Think about how to change and become a better person. Pretending is bullshit. In the meantime, for those of you that are more focused on money, maximizing your impact can have a positive impact on your revenue. So if it makes you feel any better, you can go ahead and think of maximizing your impact as a marketing strategy. It's not the best way to think about this. You should be doing it because you think it's the right thing to do. But in the end, it's your business and your life. So when it comes to impact, why should you listen to me? I'm the founder of the World Reconciliation Day event back in 2000. That's me giving Nelson Mandela a check for $1 million. I welcome Mr. Mandela to the stage to present him with a check for $1 million. Mr. Nelson Mandela.
Reconciliation. It is one of the most important issues facing humankind.
You represent everything that's right about the world.
Africa, the architect of reconciliation, Mr. Nelson Mandela.
But reconciliation must be in such a form that you can actually cut it with a knife.
I helped a village in Mali in West Africa build a health centre over a period between 2004 and 2008. I created a film festival in 2013 in New York to promote filmmakers that want to have a positive impact with their films. My TEDx talk is called Passion Before Motivation and Humanity Before Happiness. It's obviously about how to maximize your impact while working on something you're passionate about, and it has more than 1 million views. And of course, I'm the founder of iMagine, a platform that exists solely for the purpose of helping people to maximize their impact. The point I'm trying to make here is this. There's a lot of people talking about impact these days. Some are genuine and some are not genuine. I've been talking about impact and doing things that have a positive impact on a big and small scale consistently for 20 years. And the only reason this YouTube channel exists is to encourage you to be what I call an impact entrepreneur. Somebody that starts and grows a business based on their passion while having a positive impact. So with all of that said, let's get into it. I've been living and breathing this issue for more than 20 years. We can easily get into a long and complex discussion about it, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to give you a simple framework that you can use anytime you need it. The simplest way to think about the impact of your business is to break it down into your impact on your employees, customers, owners, community, and environment. Let's briefly discuss each category. And we'll start with employees. Always start by answering the obvious question. What can my business do that will have the biggest positive impact on my employees? And the possible answers include being respectful and having a positive attitude toward co-workers. Enough pressure to be challenging, but not so much that it becomes stressful. Alignment of business goals and what the business stands for with employees' goals. Encouraging individual expression. Offering reasonable compensation and bonuses or profit sharing. Providing enjoyable work that allows employees to take advantage of existing skills and develop new skills. Adopting workplace policies that encourage inclusivity and equality. And providing a comfortable workplace. Now let's talk about customers. What can you do that will have the biggest positive impact on your customers? And the possible answers include: target the right customers. You can maximize your impact by targeting a category of customers that need more help than another category of customers. For example, a specific minority group. Target a specific result for the customer. You can maximize your impact by offering products or services that help the customer achieve a result that has a positive impact on their lives. For example, services that help with weight loss or mental health or getting out of poverty, etc. As a photographer, it could be documenting a journey or an important moment in someone's life, or providing evidence of something, like photographing the impact of climate change over time, or putting more effort into a project that will use your photography to promote a high-impact product that you believe in. High-quality products and services. The higher the quality of your products and services, the bigger the impact they can have on your customer. And by the way, the higher your revenue. What you stand for. People like to buy from people that share similar values. How your product or service is made. If you use forced labor, or you do something that harms the environment, a proportion of your potential customers will not buy from you. Okay, let's talk about the impact that you have on the owners of your business. The owner of a business could just be you, but it could also be a family, or it could be you and a business partner, or if it's a publicly traded company, it could have thousands of owners. Regardless of your situation, you'll still need to answer the same question. What can my business do that will have the biggest positive impact on the owners of the business? And the possible answers include: make sure you spend their money wisely and get their input to make sure that your objectives are aligned with your owners. The easiest way to have a negative impact on your owners, and subsequently on yourself, is to lose their money. Look for the optimal balance between giving all of the stakeholders, and I'm referring to employees, customers, community, and environment, everything they want, while retaining enough money and resources to be able to grow the business. For example, one fantastic way to maximize your impact on your customers is to give your products and services away for free. But if you have no other way to generate revenue, your business will die. Your business will not have a positive impact on anyone or anything if it ceases to exist. Now let's talk about your impact on your community. Your community might be defined as a geographic area, or it might include people from all over the world that have a common interest. So as usual, answer this question: what can my business do that will have the biggest positive impact on my community? And the possible answers include: publicly promote and, if necessary, defend your community. Help members of your community succeed directly with your products and services. Help members of your community succeed indirectly by supporting other businesses that treat your community well. Support non-profits and causes that have a positive impact on your community. Now let's talk about the environment. What can your business do that will have the biggest positive impact on the environment? And the possible answers include: minimize your footprint. Research all of the ways that you can minimize waste and maximize the use of renewable energy. If you sell physical products, then you have a supply chain. Think about and research how these products were made. Think about what you buy and who you buy it from. What do these businesses stand for? How do they treat their employees, customers, owners, community, and the environment? Finally, if you're doing all of the right things, tell your customers that you're doing them. Some of your prospective customers will decide to work with you for this reason alone. In the meantime, as important as impact is, you still need to generate revenue and pay the bills. You need to offer good products or services, then you need to make a portion of your target audience aware of them, and then you need to convert a percentage of them into paying customers. So how do you do all that? First, I'll be releasing a series of videos about 100 ways to get customers for photographers. So go ahead and subscribe if you want to receive alerts when those videos are released. Second, you can generate awareness by using iMagine. It's a platform for people that want to grow their business while having a positive impact on the world. You can grow your customers and social media followers by connecting with other people on iMagine and cross-promoting your brand to each other's customers and followers. You can also find co-founders and sources of capital. The best part of this is that it's free and doesn't involve doing any work. Just create an account, upload a profile pic, enter a brief bio, and check the boxes that match your objectives. Then let the algorithm match you with people that want to work with you. Your matches will show up in your inbox. There are also a lot of other things that you can do on iMagine to grow your business and have a positive impact. Check out the links in the description. Third, if you decide that you want to implement any of the 100 ways to get customers for photographers, you'll need to have the website, landing pages, CRM, and other tools and automations required to convert as many of them as possible into paying customers. To help photographers have the best chance of success, I've created the Photography Growth Package. So what is the Photography Growth Package? I created a digital agency called iMagine Digital. so that we can provide everything that you see in my marketing videos. In order to succeed, you need 3 things: an advanced website with stunning design that addresses all of the 30 critical trust factors, advanced marketing strategies that increase awareness and conversion rates, advanced marketing tools that automate everything. The photography growth package includes a 31-page website that's been set up for photographers with stunning design that addresses all 30 trust factors, everything you need for e-commerce, advanced marketing funnels, a fully featured CRM, ready-made email templates, and more than 100 automations pre-configured. We'll set up everything for you. You just need to add information about your business, then start acquiring customers. If you don't use advanced marketing strategies and you don't use automations, you'll be at a massive disadvantage because digital marketing simply takes too much time when you do it manually. Your business and your personal income depend on it. This is the best way for you to instantly address all of the trust factors, instantly have all of the automations that I mention in all of my videos, and have everything you need to execute the 100 strategies in my series about 100 ways to get customers for photographers. And you'll get all of this with the least amount of time, money, and effort. For most of you, the ability to have everything you need instantly set up and ready to go, so that you can get customers 100 different ways, will be the difference between success and failure. Check out the links in the description to learn more about it. In the meantime, if you do want to use your existing systems and tools, that's fine. I'm still going to give you my 100 best strategies, all outlined step by step for free in these videos. Just keep in mind that it will take more time and cost more money. I know I've discussed a lot of things in this video that might be new to you. If you know this is all very valuable, but you're in a hurry and you don't know what to do next, just subscribe to this channel and go to iMagine and create a free account. It'll only take 30 seconds and we'll send you an email with a checklist about what you should do next. Then you'll have all the information you need and you can do it whenever the time is right for you. I've included links to everything in the description. I've also included links to related videos. As always, think about how you can grow your business in a way that has a positive impact. The best way to do it is with the iMagine platform. I'll see you in the next video.